Writeme AI. See, Writeme AI is an AI-powered writing assistant that is designed to streamline content creation and boost productivity. The key features are AI-driven content generation, unlimited articles and line suggestions that allows you to create and edit multiple articles without restrictions, support for multiple languages and use cases that caters to diverse content needs, including blog posts, social media ads, product descriptions, and more. It has grammar and plagiarism checks that integrates with pro writing aid to ensure content accuracy and originality. It also has, for project management, it helps you organize and manage your content projects efficiently. When it comes to the pricing plans, we have the Pay Go plan, where you pay $10 for 5,000 words up to 5 projects. The freelance plan, where you pay $10 per month, 8,000 words up to 10 projects. Agency plan, where you pay $25 per month, 80,000 words up to 20 projects. And the enterprise plan, where you pay $50 per month for 150,000 words unlimited projects. Benefits include saving time and effort in content creation, enhancing productivity and creativity. It's also suitable for various industries and content needs, and user-friendly interface and 24/7 live customer support also is a benefit. Now, what are the system requirements for this? You must have a browser. It's a browser-based, that is cloud platform, so it's also compatible with multiple platforms and tools, including Google Sheets and Microsoft Word. And the target audience as people that can use this, they can use Writeme AI are content writers, social media managers, SEO specialists, bloggers, copywriters, entrepreneurs, marketing specialists, and students. So if you're any of this, go ahead and try today.